Spring is in the air, and Prima most certainly knew that because they have a brand new line called Sweet Spring. This is designed by Frank Garcia, and if you know his style, of course, you know there's going to be a whole lot to love. So let's jump right in. There are going to be three different sizes in as far as the paper is concerned, the paper line. You're going to have a 12 by 12, an 8 by 8, and a 6 by 6. There's going to be a couple of little variances between those, so I will discuss those with you here in a second, but I want to jump right into the 12 by 12. Now, you're going to have a total of 8 double-sided papers, and then you're going to get 2 of each of those for a total of 16 sheets. It is printed on 230 GSM, so it's a really nice weight paper. Not too thick that you won't be able to crease it, but also not so thin that you will have to reinforce it or that it's going to pucker and bubble. It is also a matte finish. And I want to talk about this cover like really quick because you do not want to throw this away. It has a beautiful scalloped edge here at the bottom. So you have a top piece and a bottom piece, and these would make great pockets, great tucks, great top tuck-ins. You could use interactive features with them. The back is blank, so the center part, of course, you could save to use for card bases and stuff like that. But just a really nice piece as well, printed on the 230 GSM as well. Now, the 12 by 12 is got the coolest, most amazing feature, which I'm sure you just saw, and it is that beautiful gold foil. Not overly heavy, to the point where it's kind of like in your face, just enough that it is elegant and stunningly beautiful. As you can see here, some splatters, as well as just little touches here and there that show up like magic as they reflect the light. Once again, you're going to get 2 of each of those papers. The B sides do not contain any foiling whatsoever, so you have lots of options. Here is the next paper. Absolutely beautiful, with some gorgeous robin's nests. You can see the foiling there as well, just here and there. Love the magnifying glass, along with umbrellas. We've got some bunnies. Again, just a little touch of that foil. Let me see if I can catch it. Can you see it? I think you can. Just a little tiny bit. And I know the camera doesn't like it when I'm doing all that movement, but I definitely want to show you just how lovely that foiling is. For those of us who emboss and try to do, you know, splatters, we totally get and appreciate just how much a little of that can go. And look at the raindrops. Oh my goodness, it looks like it's raining for real. Of course, if you are one of those who is like, oh, you know, I see the splatters, I get it, I don't know exactly where to place them. Well, guess what? They've done that for you. So it's wonderful. You don't have to even worry about breaking out any kind of products to get that gorgeous effect. Love this back page as well. Of course, we have the Wellington boots. I love some rain boots. And that gorgeous fox. Let me see if I can catch those stars for you. Beautiful. I love that it's got a bow and a collar. Great collage piece. And then we've got tons of journaling cards. Again, some of them with that gorgeous foil, just a little touch here and there. Like this one's got just a little twinkles spot right there. This one's got just the text, but you get 2 sides. So if you want to use the butterflies, wonderful. If you want to use all the journaling cards, you can as well. Now, the 8 by 8 and the 6 by 6 are a little bit different in the sense that, of course, everything is just going to be a tad bit smaller. So you can see the size difference there. Also, they do not contain any foil, neither the 8 by 8 nor the 6 by 6. And the other difference is you're getting 32 pages in these. So instead of getting 2 of each page, you're getting 4 of each page. So you can see here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4. and so on. So it's the exact same pages minus the foiling, everything we have already seen. Same thing with the 6x6, smaller, 4 of each, and no foil, okay? All right, so those are the main papers. Then we've got a stunning mold in the true Prima fashion. It is food safe, so long as all you do is use it for food, it will continue to be food safe. It is a silicone mold, so you can put anything you want into it. Now, once you use it for crafting and you put, air dry clay, plaster of Paris, your resin, all that, then you can no longer use it for food as it will no longer be food safe, right? But so long as you just keep it for food, great. Now, if you'd like to do both, then I would suggest you get one for your food, keep it food safe in the kitchen, and then get another one just for crafting. If you do cakes and stuff like that, or cookies or cupcakes, all that fun stuff. Now, it is so adorable. Well, of course, if you need more description on anything that I'm showing, if you want to know details, if you want to see sample photos as well, you can always head on to the online store, and on there we will always have additional pictures and description information. But you can see just how beautiful all the different pieces that it makes. You've got frames, butterflies, mushrooms, you've got ducks and bunnies, and I love that magnifying glass. And you can see like down to the hair on his belly, just a great details, or the wrinkles on her dress, little pleats. You can see all the details that are going to be in that gorgeous mold set. So that is the silicone mold that was released. We also have a A4 size, 8.5 by 11 sheet of rub-ons or transfers. Absolutely beautiful. You've got all the elements that we've seen throughout the collection, from the mushrooms to the eggs to the boots and the cups of tea with the saucer. It's just adorable. Vintage labels and all those beautiful colors. Then, in addition to that, we also have some coordinating flowers. Now, the flowers also play into another collection that I'm going to be showing you that has released simultaneously with this collection as well. So be on the lookout for that video. But keep in mind that the flowers are so beautiful. These are all handmade flowers. You get 90 in here, and they will coordinate with both collections. So since you have so many of them, just know that you'll be able to use them throughout other collections as well. And then finally, there were two different ephemera packs released. Now, one is the butterflies and frames, and the other one is the bunnies and butterflies. They are completely different, and they are loaded. So for example, this has got 72 pieces. This is the butterflies and frames, 72 pieces. The frames, some of them contain that gorgeous foil that you can see hopefully on there. I know it's reflecting the light, but you can see that. You have lots of beautiful just collage frames. You also have all the beautiful butterflies. And again, more detailed photos are available in the online store, so you guys can go check that out. But you can see that each frame has elements that are collaged, like the boots, the bunnies, the nests, the fox, the tickets, and more. And you can see that the frames all have different windows as well. So you could use them in all kinds of different ways for all of your projects. Then we've got the other ephemera pack, which is the bunnies and butterfly. And this one's got even more pieces. It's 88 pieces total. So tons and tons. And you can see all the beautiful elements that are going to be included in there. Again, if you want to be able to magnify the photo even more, head on over to our online store. But you can see it's quite a chunky bit of ephemera. I also would love to remind you that they do a really beautiful packaging, so do not dispose of the packaging either. I am a true believer in recycling and repurposing, and why would I not love to use that packaging? Even this little bit up here, you can use that once again to create your own ephemera piece. And then you can cover this piece up here with a piece of paper from the collection and create a gorgeous, stunning pocket or flip. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the gorgeous sweet spring from Prima. And I am going to remind you once again that everything that you've seen here, plus thousands more products, are available in our online store. So we certainly hope that you will go and check out our online store, check out all of the Prima products that we carry, as well as, like I said, all of the top designers and companies from around the world, all in one easy, convenient shopping experience through our online store. Also, make sure that if you have a second to give this video a thumbs up and share it out. If you can, we really appreciate it. We love bringing you content like this, and we would love if you would share it out in order for everyone to know what is the latest and greatest that is out there. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a video, be it sharing with you things that are just coming out. We also have classes, we've got craft alongs, and so much more. I'm going to leave another video here at the end for you to click on and follow me over there, and we'll continue to have more ideas and inspiration and projects and so much more. I'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.